Okay, so we are starting 5.2, which is rates and unit rates. Our learning goal is I can understand rates involving fractions and use the unit rate to solve problems. So for our vocab, we have three terms that are really important in this section, in this topic, and that's ratios, rates, and unit rates. We learned in 5.1 that a ratio compares two quantities. So going off of that, we are going to learn about rates in this topic. And so a rate is a ratio of two quantities using different units. And so a rate might be, what is the price for 6 sodas, right? So we're looking at the price of something and then 6 sodas. A unit rate compares a quantity of 1 unit to a different quantity. And so this is like looking at, okay, well, what is the price for 1 soda?